How to make a gold star like this? Follow the step. First, go to Window, Swatch Libraries, Gradient, and Metal. Now you can use gold gradient. Make the star. Make line using pen tool. Use shape builder and make like this. Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click. Fill angle 72 degrees. Press / to non-color. Now, copy reflect this. Create line using pen tool. Delete this. Selection, click shape builder, and make it like this. Fill gold color. Hide the stroke. Selection and click gradient tool. Drag out some of the color points. Set angle gradient. Do the same for the other one. Selection. Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click. Fill 72 degrees and copy. Ctrl D. Finally, group. Finish. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.